Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw cartoon hands 3 ways. And this will be the first part, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so to start off, we're going to sketch in a circle. Then we could add a line coming down like this. From there, we will draw this arc up top. This will just be the guide for the placement of the fingers. Now we'll come out with our thumb and we'll curve in by the palm of the hand. And you can see we add in the we call it the fleshy tissue. I don't know what you call that. Alright, cool. So now we can move on to doing the fingers. So for the first finger, we'll start off at the center right here. And you can see it's just a simple curving shape. And then we will continue that one on the right hand side. And we could connect it back to the thumb. And then on the left we could do the other finger. So same curve in motion. And then we will follow it down. So curving around the circle that we made for that palm. And then we could end it off by putting in the wrist. And we could add a little bit of shadows right there as well. Alright, nice. Okay, cool. We finished with our hand for part 1. In part 2, we will be doing our second hand. But that is pretty much it for the video, guys. We hope you learned something. We hope you enjoyed. And we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.